Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today I am going to show you how to bead the traditional necklace with oxidized lockets and beads. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: big size beads, round oxidized beads, oxidized lockets, small sized beads, hook and jump ring, scissors, nylon thread and needle, and glue. Take 4 times thick nylon thread in needle according to match your neck size. Make a knot at the other end. Start beading the small red beads in the thread. Now start beading big red beads and oxidized round lockets alternately. Now start beading the long lockets and red big beads alternately as shown. Now start beading big red beads and oxidized round lockets alternately as done earlier. Start beading the small red beads in the thread as shown. Tie the hook to one end and jump ring to the other end. Cut the excess thread and heat the ends with incense stick to lock the ends. Our oxidized beaded necklace is ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.